case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a groundbreaking lawsuit, IMAX Corporation and several of its executives were accused of securities fraud. Allegedly, they had violated both generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, and their own revenue recognition policy. This was purportedly achieved by improperly accounting for theater system revenue, an act that had repercussions for numerous shareholders. The plaintiffs claimed that the defendants were fully aware of the accounting irregularities, citing the defendants' access to incriminating documentation, an increasingly aggressive accounting approach, and the failure to adhere to IMAX's own accounting regulations. The lawsuit also highlighted a significant transaction that was seen to undermine the purpose of the accounting rules. PwC, the multinational professional services network, was also implicated for its involvement with IMAX. The plaintiffs suggested that the audit and assurance services provided by PwC could have overlooked potential red flags, which in turn bolstered IMAX's defense. The District Court for the Southern District of New York took the case. The defendants attempted to refute the charges, yet the judge ruled that the plaintiffs made a compelling case for scienter, or intent or knowledge of wrongdoing. The plaintiffs sufficiently argued that the accounting discrepancies were not just negligent, but actively reckless. The defendants also had to prove that IMAX went against an accounting policy more stringent than those stipulated by GAAP, and that PwC had documented evidence of these violations. Interestingly, the judge denied the motion to dismiss the case made by the defendants, stating instead that the evidence warranted further exploration. The defendants had a 20-day window to respond to these allegations. To secure the case, the plaintiffs were tasked with proving loss causation, or the direct link between the defendants' misconduct and the financial losses they experienced. The defendants tried to argue the causality, suggesting the economic harm was tied to IMAX's failed efforts at mergers and acquisitions. The judge deemed this counter-argument unsuitable for assessment at that stage. In an era of heightened regulations, particularly in finance, the IMAX lawsuit highlights the importance of transparency and adherence to accounting principles for all parties involved. The outcome of this court case could set a significant precedent and further underscore the need for honesty and clarity in all financial dealings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.